Ever wondered how Shopify and ShopPay stack up against each other? If you're an e-commerce enthusiast, you've probably heard of these two platforms. So let's dive into what each of these platforms offers. Shopify, to start with, is a comprehensive e-commerce platform that allows businesses to create online stores, manage inventory, and track sales. It's an all-in-one solution, making it a go-to for many businesses looking to sell online. On the other hand, we have ShopPay. While it's a part of the Shopify ecosystem, it serves a different purpose. ShopPay is a payment gateway, streamlining the checkout process for customers. It securely saves card information, making future purchases a breeze, and is commonly used on Shopify stores as well as on Instagram and Facebook shops. In essence, Shopify is your store builder, while ShopPay is your cashier. Now that we know what Shopify and ShopPay are, let's dive into their features. A Shopify and ShopPay each have their unique features that make them stand out in the highly competitive e-commerce industry. Let's dive into these features, shall we? Shopify is a favorite for many because of its customizable online store. You can tailor your storefront to your brand's aesthetic, making it a unique online shopping experience for your customers. And who doesn't love a mobile-optimized checkout? It's fast, it's seamless, and it's designed for the modern shopper who's always on the go. But let's not forget about Shopify's global reach. With Shopify, your online store isn't limited by geographical boundaries. Now let's shift gears to ShopPay. This platform is known for its accelerated checkout, making the shopping experience quick and hassle-free. ShopPay also offers carbon offsets, a feature that's a big hit with eco-conscious consumers. And, with ShopPay's order tracking, customers can keep tabs on their purchases every step of the way. Features are important, but what about the benefits and drawbacks of using these platforms? Every platform has its pros and cons, and Shopify and ShopPay are no exception. Let's delve into the benefits of using Shopify. This platform is renowned for its user-friendly interface, making it a breeze for novices and veterans alike to build their dream online store. Moreover, Shopify boasts an extensive app marketplace, allowing you to enhance your store with a plethora of features. Now, let's turn our attention to ShopPay. This platform stands out for its fast and secure checkout process, a feature that can significantly boost conversion rates. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Shopify can be a bit of a pocket pinch due to its transaction fees, which is something you'll need to factor into your budget. As for ShopPay, its limited availability might be a stumbling block for some businesses. Understanding the benefits and drawbacks of these platforms can help you make an informed decision. Now, let's summarize what we've learned. Now that we've gone over the features, benefits, and drawbacks of Shopify and ShopPay, you should have a better understanding of which platform might be right for you. Let's revisit the main points we've covered. Shopify is a comprehensive e-commerce platform that provides a suite of services. It offers everything from website creation, inventory management, to marketing tools. It's a one-stop shop for businesses looking to establish or expand their online presence. On the other hand, ShopPay is a payment gateway. It's a tool that can be integrated not only into Shopify, but other platforms as well. It's designed to expedite the checkout process, making it swift and secure for your customers. Each platform has its unique strengths. Shopify's all-encompassing features can simplify your online business operations, while ShopPay's quick and secure payment system can enhance your customers' shopping experience. Whether you choose Shopify or ShopPay, both platforms offer unique advantages that can help you succeed in the world of e-commerce. Remember, the best choice depends on your specific needs and goals.